In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the sum function in Canva Sheets. So to use the sum function, it takes in a number of values. Let's say from this table, I have this price column, this quantity, and the total of the item purchased. And we want to calculate maybe the price, the total price of all these items in 1 unit, and maybe the total quantity that the user bought. So we can do that by using the sum function. So in the cell you want to calculate, just click on the cell and then type in equals sum and then enter. And now it's going to ask you for some values. Just drag your mouse over the values that you want to calculate the sum of, and then release, and then you can click enter. And that's going to calculate the sum of those values. You can then drag this this little square, drag it to where you want to redo this operation. And as you can see, it redid this for this columns and for this, and it also included the currency sign here. And that's how you calculate the total or use the sum function in Canva Sheets. I hope that helped.